Technical writing is a form of writing that communicates complex information in a clear and concise manner, typically within a specialized field or industry. It involves conveying technical or specialized information to a specific audience, such as engineers, scientists, technicians, or other professionals, who require accurate and detailed instructions, explanations, or documentation. Technical writing covers a broad range of documents and materials, including user manuals, technical reports, white papers, instructions, procedures, specifications, proposals, and documentation for software applications or hardware devices. The primary goal of technical writing is to provide readers with the information they need to understand and perform tasks effectively and efficiently. Effective technical writing requires a deep understanding of the subject matter, as well as the ability to organize information logically, use appropriate language and terminology, and adapt the writing style to suit the needs and preferences of the target audience. Technical writers often work closely with subject matter experts, SMEs, to gather information and ensure accuracy and clarity in their writing. Some key characteristics of technical writing include clarity. Technical documents should be clear and easy to understand, even for readers with limited technical knowledge or expertise. Accuracy. Technical writing must be accurate and precise, providing readers with reliable information that they can trust. Conciseness. Technical writers strive to convey information succinctly, avoiding unnecessary words or jargon that may confuse or overwhelm the reader. Audience focus. Technical writing is tailored to the needs and expectations of the intended audience, taking into account their level of expertise, background knowledge, and specific requirements. Organization. Technical documents are typically structured in a logical and coherent manner, with clear headings, sections, and subsections to guide readers through the content. Overall, technical writing plays a vital role in facilitating communication and knowledge transfer within technical and professional communities, helping individuals and organizations effectively utilize and understand complex information in various contexts.